And here we are removing all of this shit in here this morning. And look at this snow chunk here in the car. 36 inches. Oh yeah, 36. Look at this one. This is how high is 36 inches. So these are the dogs right now. And look, it's almost on my shoulder. This high, this crazy.
Heads up.
Steven is literally removing it from on the car. Oh, see how high it is. I'm almost buried. All my boots are all buried in here. See how high it is. Oh my god, almost to my knees. Almost to my knees. Until my knees rather. And we're trying to.
Look at you go, girl. Shovel that snow. Oh yeah.
Hopefully. Oh, it is. It's on it's until my waist, Steven. It's
yeah.
until here.
Uh-huh. It ain't gonna move itself, girl.
Poop sweet. I saw a poop of the dog.
Where? That guy's gonna want to back his truck up when that excavator comes down and rips his front bumper off.
Which one?
That black car.
The last time I did this, I was panting.
We need to go to Ocean State job lot after everything is plowed and get us a shovel.
Big one, right?
Yeah, a nice one. There's two of them, so we can both be out here doing this.
Let's get the way out. It will be here.
Look at the dogs. You see the middle of that tree in the middle?
Yeah.
You see the middle of it?
Yeah.
Where
Take
it's,
a video.
where it's split? Oh yeah, that's another thing we gotta worry about, right? There. That tree is gonna come down after this is all over.
Oh my god. So after the shoveling, I need to rest for a while.
Yeah, you take a
I'm tired.
Put it up so we can
And then
leave it
I'm going to give it to Steven. Oh my god. Fun. So this is our first major blow of snow since 2008, 2001. I wasn't here yet. I was still in Kuwait during that time. So, ayan, mga kapatid. Ganyan ang buhay dito sa New York. Hindi lahat saya, hindi lahat okay. So marami ring mga pitfalls dito. Marami ring mga things na dapat na i-consider kung balak niyo mag-move in dito. Nakakapagod. I'm so much exhausted from plowing manually. So maybe around like 3 feet. It's how it is. That's how high it is. Ako nga, until waistline ko. So until sa waistline ko siya, talagang kung uusad pa ako doon, wala na, malulubog na ako talaga. Ayan. So this is what we did. So we paved a little place, we made a way here para lang maka-advance ng konti ang car namin doon sa may roadside. At least it would be easier to move or to get out if we want something. So first time that the Plowers, the government, how do you say that? Is it the town? And the doggies are waiting. Hold on, mommy's plowing in here. They were able to do something when they need to. This is the craziest thing that happened today. And it's still snowing. So that's stopping. I know. What's that? Yeah, they're excited to play. Come on, Vicky, come on. Come here, good girl. See? What's that? The snow. And just FYI, We're here in the apartment and we don't have any maintenance from the landowner, from the manager, the apartment manager. And see that we already paved all the ways in here. And then he's going to increase the rent for maintenance, and yet we don't have any. Come on here, Rusty. Come here. Rusty, get in here.
What?
So I told him there was a maintenance about that. Until now, see? No